Here on the Central Coast in the Golden State of California, our scenery varies from ocean and lakes to hills, mountains, and valleys. Our normal weather range is from the 20s to the 110 degrees in the extreme. It's perfect for the outdoor lifestyle. Many here are native to the area and aren't familiar with differences that exist elsewhere in our country, such as Indiana. For example, in this new video series, I'll take you to this quintessential Midwest state and show you many of the differences with emphasis on landscape irrigation practices. We're going to ride along with an Indianan, my son, Josh, who will show us the ropes. Hi folks, this is Tom with Sprinkler Pros, and I'm here in beautiful Indiana, and we're visiting out here, and we're seeing some of the different things that they do with irrigation that we don't do in California. So with me today is somebody that some of you may remember. Say hi, Josh. Hi, this is Josh, and he's my son, and we used to be partners in business, as some of you may remember, a few years ago. And now Josh is running an irrigation crew for a big landscape company in Indiana named Bellinger's. They're in Lafayette, same town as Purdue University. And so anyway, he's doing a great job there, and we're going to see some of the things that they do here that are different.
Sounds good.
Indiana, the Hoosier State, home of Purdue University, and of course the Indy 500, the land of water towers and huge wind generators. The land of seemingly endless soy and corn crops. No stucco buildings here. It's mostly brick or siding and a few fences in between. Though it's a mostly flat state, it has a natural beauty to it in its farming and woodlands, and in its simpler, slower pace of life. Since the temperatures can get into the double-digit negatives in the winter, this dictates certain practices that we'll see in this series. Another couple of factors are the use of lake and pond water in rural areas and the large open properties that many folks live on. I'm going to show you what plowing and landscapes have to do with each other, how blowout can be a good thing, and how to irrigate landscapes without well water or municipal water, among many other interesting things. So be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell to get notified when these new videos are available each Monday. Thanks for watching.